If you've been looking for a new construction home in Dripping Springs, but everything feels like it's either too far away or too expensive, then Village Grove could be a great choice for you. This is Dripping Springs' newest master plan community by Taylor Morrison Homes. The models are finally open, pricing's been released, and homes are already selling. Now, I'll be honest, this neighborhood is not a great fit for everyone. It's for a very specific buyer. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the location, the pricing, and the floor plans, what makes this community different, and who I actually think it's a great fit for. Let's start off with the location. Village Grove is located right off of Highway 290 and Ranch Road 12 in Dripping Springs. This is a boutique community with just 425 total homes when complete, so it's going to have a tight-knit feel. Now, what's great about the location is that you're extremely close to everyday conveniences. You're minutes from H-E-B, restaurants, coffee shops, shopping, and you're zoned for Dripping Springs schools. Because Village Grove is going to be a smaller size community, it is not going to have any real amenities like a pool or a fitness center. There will be some walking trails, but you are also located right next door to the Dripping Springs Sports and Recreation Park. That area has soccer fields, tennis and pickleball courts, volleyball courts, trails, and a ton of green space. So the other thing that I think is great about the location is that you have two entrances into the neighborhood, one off of Ranch Road 12 and one off of Highway 290. That helps a lot with traffic flow as the area continues to grow. And the entrance off 290 is the best because you can avoid all the high school traffic that backs up around Ranch Road 12. So let's dive into the houses that you can buy here. Taylor Morrison is going to be building two different products on 40-foot and 50-foot lots. They're going to range in size from about 1,400 square feet to about 3,100 square feet. Now, here's something really cool that I don't think I've ever seen in any other master plan community. All of the yards are 100% Zeroscaped. So the front yard will not have a lot of sod or grass. It's going to have native plants, trees, and rock beds. And the backyard will have turf. So these homes are truly designed for people who do not want to do a ton of yard work. It's also great because we often get droughts in this area and water restrictions. So this helps you keep your water bill in check. Let's talk floor plans. Something else that's unique is that Taylor Morrison designed all these floor plans specifically for Village Grove. In the 40-foot section, there are 6 total floor plans. These homes have different color selections you can choose, but there's no option to customize anything. So that keeps the prices down. They're going to start from about $390,000 to $450,000 for a finished home that's between 1,400 to 2,200 square feet. If you're wanting more options and the ability to customize, then in the 50-foot section, you can choose from 9 floor plans. The floor plans start around $500,000 to $580,000, and then you can go to a design center and add upgrades from there. So the finished product will be a little bit more expensive, more sizable, but you get to design a home that is truly yours. Now, the tax rate is currently about 2.39%, and that includes a MUD or a municipal utility district. And that's actually not a bad rate for a new community. Now, the other great thing about buying new construction is that builders are always offering incentives. So to kick off their community, Taylor Morrison has been offering a fixed 4.99% interest rate, even on to-be-built homes. Now, this is rare because most builders can only offer those kinds of lender incentives on completed inventory homes. Now, on top of that, they've also been offering closing cost credits as well. Now, keep in mind that incentives can change every couple of weeks, so always reach out to me to find out what the latest ones are. So if affordability is important to you, Village Grove is definitely worth a look because it's going to give you an approachable entry point into Dripping Springs. Village Grove is also zoned to Dripping Springs ISD, which continues to be one of the biggest reasons people move to this area. This district has grown quickly over the past several years, and like most fast-growing suburbs, future school boundary adjustments are always something buyers should keep an eye on, but overall, the schools are definitely a major draw here. So who is this community a great fit for? I personally think Village Grove is really great for buyers who prioritize convenience and location over having huge lots and massive amenities. If you want to just come home and relax at your house instead of doing yard work, this is a perfect choice. You're close to shopping, sports, restaurants, schools, and still surrounded by hill country scenery. I see this community working well for young families, busy professionals, downsizers who want an easy maintenance yard, or first-time move-up buyers wanting a new home in Dripping Springs. Now, if you're wanting a big yard, a huge hill country view, or lots of amenities like swimming pools and fitness centers, this neighborhood is not going to be the right fit. You should probably check out Headwaters nearby. So this neighborhood is really about convenience, accessibility, and getting into Dripping Springs at a more approachable price. And now that the model homes are officially open, I think this community is going to get a lot more attention. Now, if you would like to tour Village Grove in person, compare the floor plans, and find out about the latest incentives, just contact me using the link below. And if you're still shopping neighborhoods, you might also check out my tours of Heritage, Cannon Ranch, and Headwaters. Just subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out. I'm Shannon Mangin. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.